but I'm trying to replicate something. The movie is Disco Dancer, and I remember some part till now. It's something like, again, words is not right. This is what I remember. Yeah? It's something like Dunya Vasilva Vasilki, something like Dunya Nasil Na Luki. So what I did in this film. Actually, to be honest, it's very ordinary track. To be honest, it's very ordinary soundtracks with a slightly unordinary approach. You know, the typical approach for the Indian film background score. And I actually have big freedom from producers. They trust on me and they said, so what, you just carry on, and what is your ideas, just bring everything there. Actually, I did slight different approach for a couple of scenes there. It's not even a different approach for Bollywood background score. Actually, a little bit maybe for Westerners and European or Hollywood as well. You know, just trying to bring slightly different texture, because these days all the background scores all around the world, especially Hollywood's film scores, they all sound the same. They're right, they're very good, but everything is the same. Become as a stereotype, okay? In the future, producers on the new film, they already got that stereotype. They know this music is adapted for some action, okay? And this music will always work for that kind of action. And everyone will ask to compose almost the same thing in other movies, you know what I mean? And that's why we just start to replicate each other. This is what I think. We're just copying each other. We have to try. Let's say like one of the scenes, like a car chase in this movie, which I decided to make very stupid. That was my brief for producers. I want to make it stupid. But stupid has also some sensitivity. Yeah? It's not stupid. It's not like, don't take it literally. Yeah. It sounds very great, interesting, but it's just a little bit different, and it's very provocative. And it's actually a little bit silly on this, in the way of this, you know, the scene was designed. There's a story of the scene as well, you know.
If you've seen Hindi films, anything which is closer.
To be honest, these days, who I knew from the nowadays actors and who still exist, it's Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, and basically a couple of girls. I don't remember the name. Actually, very bad with the names to remember.
If you get a chance to give music in